Hello children, today I am going to teach you how to write letter J. Here letter J. First we will trace the letter J. J. Here take different colors and trace the letter J and make sure that you can write alone. Then we'll go to the next one. Here letter J. J. Letter J. J. Okay. Now here I'm going to trace the letter here. Tracing letter J. J. Here dotted line here, tracing letter J. J. Right? Now I am sure that I can write alone. I am starting from here and writing down like this. J. Here another one. J. J. J for jug. J for jug. Here letter J. 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 Now can write alone letter J. J for jug. Okay. Thank you children.